Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to see your starred messages on WhatsApp. Viewing your starred messages helps you quickly access important conversations you have marked. So, let's get started on how to see your starred messages on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the starred messages option. Tap on it. Now you will be able to see a list of all the messages you have starred. Browse through the list to find any important messages you have saved. And this is how you can see your starred messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.